Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've done another Starline i96 on this really lovely Audi Q7 Quattro. How the system works, if someone was to clone your key, jumped in and try and start it, you'll see that the vehicle won't start. Foot on the brake, vehicle won't start. So now every time you jump in the vehicle, turn the ignition on, don't put your foot on the brake and go through a push sequence. So on this we've done something very simple. So 1, 2, 3. If it's correct, you'll receive a melody. There you go, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. It's also got the facility where you can use a Bluetooth app called Starline Key, and I'll also show you that. Also, the Starline i96 has a Bluetooth app here. So obviously when the tag is present and Bluetooth's on and the app is downloaded onto a particular phone, all you then do is just turn on the ignition, don't put your foot on the brake, listen to your melody and start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, when you take the car for a service, you don't want to disclose the code. You obviously don't want to give them your phone. You can put it into valet mode. And the way you do that is push and hold the key till it goes to amber and then release. You get 2 bleeps. That's now in service mode. So now you can just start it. There you go, straightforward, really clever. When you get the vehicle back, push and hold this button till it goes back to green. Release, 2 bleeps. That's now out of valet mode. So ignition on, get your melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. It's also got the facility that if you want to change the code, this is also very simple. So what you do is ignition on, get your disarm, then hit any buttons that are on the network 5 times. So on here we're going to use this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off. Ignition back on. Done it too quickly, so let's do it again. So system disarm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off. Ignition on. I think we've got the Bluetooth on, so let's just turn off the Bluetooth. So now with the Bluetooth off, if we now put the disarm code, so let's do 1, 2, 3, get your melody. There you go, receive your melody. And now if we hit this button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, leave for a second or 2, ignition back on. You'll get 5 bleeps, but obviously it's disarming too quickly and we're doing it too quickly. So let's just do it one more time. So disarm, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition back on. There you go, we get 5 bleeps. Now we're going to change the code. So we're going to do something simple. So we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a melody. So again, new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get another melody. Same melody. Code is learnt. There you go, disarm it. So should I say turn off the ignition, wait for about 10 seconds, and that would then be the new code. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much, bye bye.